Imagine being blind from birth, living in a world of darkness, and then, in a miraculous moment, gaining sight. That's where we start in John chapter 9. Jesus encounters a blind man, someone cast aside by society, and performs a miracle by giving him sight. This act isn't just about physical healing. It challenges perceptions, showing Jesus as the light of the world. Key verse, John 9:5. While I am in the world, I am the light of the world. Moving to chapter 10, the theme of light shifts to leadership, with Jesus describing himself as the Good Shepherd. He speaks of caring for his sheep, his followers, and knowing each by name, leading with love and sacrifice. Here's a standout. John 10:11. I am the Good Shepherd. The Good Shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. It's a promise of protection and sacrifice. In chapter 11, the narrative deepens with the story of Lazarus. Imagine being called back from death after 4 days. It's a dramatic demonstration of Jesus' power over life and death. This chapter holds John 11:25, where Jesus says, I am the resurrection and the life. It's a declaration of his divine authority, offering hope beyond mortality. Finally, in chapter 12, we see Jesus entering Jerusalem, heralded as a king, yet his heart is set on a different kind of kingdom. He speaks of seeds dying to produce a harvest, an illustration of his impending death and the salvation it would bring. John 12:24 captures it. Unless a kernel of wheat falls to the ground and dies, it remains only a single seed, but if it dies, it produces many seeds. Take these passages together and you see a portrait of Jesus not just as a teacher, but as a healer, leader, life-giver, and ultimately a king who conquers through sacrifice. These chapters invite not just understanding, but a deeper reflection on what it means to see, to follow, to believe, and to live. Curious to see how these themes unfold and impact lives even today? Grab a seat and let's explore the wonders of John chapters 9 to 12.